Hi, everybody. Hope you're having a great first week of school. I'm taking this opportunity to reintroduce myself. This is my fourth year here in Octorara as the K-12 Technology Integration Specialist. My previous 15 years to Octorara were in Garnet Valley School District, where I taught fourth through eighth grade regular education and gifted support. And I wanted to reintroduce myself because we have so many people, new people, or so many people have switched and moved places that just take a moment to tell you what I can do to help you infuse and integrate technology into your classroom. If you've been around for the last 4 years, you have gotten to know me pretty well because I've been on your screen quite a bit. But this is kind of a nice, place to reintroduce and kind of reinvigorate how we can use technology to help our students be critical thinkers, use technology to help our students communicate, be creative, become really good digital citizens, and be great communicators. So with that being said, what I can offer for you is this model that I've used for the last several years here, where we will be working collaboratively together, where you will identify a challenge or a problem or something that's been on your mind, something you've wanted to work on, something you may have seen in a previous professional development and just never really had the time to dive into and get up and running with your students. That's a great place for us to start. I will do the investigations, see what's out there, see what's research is out there, select some strategies, select some tools, and then bring that information to you where we can go through an implementation process where we get to co-teach, work one-on-one, reflect on how it's going, and then make some decisions on how we want to kind of move and go either deeper down that path or be able to move on to something else that may be more pressing or more interesting for you and your students. This is something where we work on, and I can't stress enough, collaborative in nature. There's no judgment from me whatsoever. The time limit for, or the time needed from you is very, very minimal because we do co-teaching and we work with the students during that student-teacher time. Some of the things that people in the past, or some of the things that are kind of new that we can kind of reinvigorate here, are working with Achieve 3000. That's that new differentiated reading program we have from third through ninth grade. We have amazing 3D printers in our district that we can use Tinkercad to have the students create 3D models. We are investing in, we have some new laser engraving technology where the students can use Google Drawing to create the appropriate files, upload them onto the laser engraver, and really allow the students to make some amazing materials. We can introduce some coding into your curriculum in a way that would really make sense. We have Ozobots that we can use that we can implement and integrate into the curriculum. And really taking the opportunity to move away from the screen so much and be able to get our students back to using some hands-on technology, some more kind of STEMmy technology, if you will. But really finding creative ways that work with your curriculum, allow for those small groups that people are starting to create with their workshop models. And that's a great opportunity for me to come in, bring some technology for the students to work on, and allow them to be really creative with what they're learning in the curriculum and show you different ways that they understand the concepts. So the best way to get a hold of me is the email that you saw in the beginning part of this video. Second way is attached to this email is going to be a survey. Please just fill out that survey if you're at all interested in having a guy work with you using technology into your classroom. I like the survey piece because then when I come knocking on your door, it's not just some strange person coming and talking to you about it, but you at least have kind of signed up to have the conversation. There's no pressure, something that we do together, we work on together, and hopefully you'll have some fun with it, and the students will have some fun with it as well. And then finally, the big idea with this is to be able to celebrate you and all the awesome things that you do in your classroom with your students. It is no greater joy of mine than to come into a classroom, work with teachers, work with their students, and have those wonderful aha moments, see those amazing pieces of creativity that the students can make to show exactly what they've learned. And sometimes, they have the opportunity to wow us with what they've learned. So hope you take the time, fill out the survey, let me know. If you're interested, I'll kind of bop around, have some conversations with people, and hopefully we can get started in the next couple of weeks here. So once again, Chris Schultz, nice to meet all of you, especially our new folks, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much.